Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with a new video. Today's video is based on how you can add multiple quantity to a listing on eBay. So then to begin with, open up a web browser and then log into your eBay account. For that, type in www.ebay.com. Don't worry about the link. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After that, it's going to direct you to the official webpage of ebay.com. So you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to select the particular item. For example, let's go with this particular item. After that, it's going to direct you to the official site of this particular item. You can go ahead and tap on buy now, or you can simply go ahead and tap on the add cart button. After that, you'll need to go ahead and click on the cart button located in the upper right hand side corner. So after the product has been added to your cart, here you can see there is quantity. So if you want to change the quantity, you can go ahead and tap on the quantity. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and click on buy it now. After that, enter in your credentials such as your contact details, billing address and all that, and then you've successfully added multiple quantities to listing on eBay. So that is basically how you can add multiple quantities to a listing on eBay. You can do the same procedure for the rest of the other products. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.